What's going on, everybody? Let's give it a couple minutes. Alrighty, so hope everybody's having a good day. Let's start going over these markets. These are the markets that we looked at this Sunday that we broke down, markets that I was interested in this week. We are going to start with Euro USD. Euro USD, we're waiting for price to come back down to this area of interest that we have marked right here. Price has came back down. It actually started the week on Monday. Yeah, Monday it had a very strong bullish movement, but it did not do much. Now it went back down, rejected, and we are now rejecting this area of interest. As you guys can see, we have a doji right here that we had yesterday, and we are currently still rejecting. We still have 22 hours on this candle. I will be waiting for London tonight for a maybe. Let me see. We have already 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 candles. I'll be waiting for tonight for another couple of rejections here, and then maybe a strong bullish 4-hour candle to be interested in entering this trade to go long. This is a nice trade cooking up right now. Should be ready for London tonight. USD CAD, we actually entered this trade. I entered this trade, I believe, on Monday. Monday, the beginning of, like, right pre-London, like 1 in the morning, 2 in the morning. Had a very strong move to the upside. Let me see real quick. We're waiting for price to, as you guys can see, we had this very strong move. We're waiting for price to have a little quick pullback, which it did, and then go for some buys. We entered it on Monday, right after these rejections right here, and we were up about like $3,000, and now price is currently retesting my my entry point. We'll be holding this trade, see what it does. Very much potential. I still feel like it has having some rejections of this area to then end up having the big push to the upside. So we'll be holding this trade. Looks very promising to me. I'm looking for there's almost a 1 to 3, 1 to 2. I'll be satisfied, but I'll be holding it to get to this area, which will probably have some rejections. There's a daily area of interest, so price can go up to here before it has any rejections. So I'll be watching it to make sure. Once I get my 1 to 2, that's what I aim for. Once I get to my 1 to 2, I'm golden. Anything apart from that is just extra. But this trade has a lot of potential to even come all the way up here, be a 1 to 6, 1 to 8. Now, is there enough time this week left? We're already on Wednesday. Probably not. And I am not a big fan of holding trades throughout the week. As you guys remember, last week I was stopped out for no reason. NZD USD price is, we wanted price to break this area, retest, and then go for some sells. It actually already broke and retested, and now we are rejecting this round psychological level. We're below the EMA, and we are at the area of interest. And if you can see, we have a left head, right shoulder on the daily time frame. We did break that area. We did retest it, reject it, and now we retested it again, rejected it, and we're pretty much there. I'll be looking for a strong bearish candle. This did not close bearish, so I was not interested on it. This trade might not be ready for this week since it's already Wednesday, depending what this 4-hour time does. As you guys can see, we have another left head, right shoulder here, and we rejected it, kind of broke that area, now back down. So if we have maybe a couple more rejections here, I would like price to do this right here. I would like price to have a couple more rejections in this area, have a little quick pullback, maybe another retest, and then sell. Or we can have price just give me a strong bullish candle, Then I'll be looking for a little small area, a little retest, or maybe right after I candle, depending what it does. Potentially, I would like a little pullback to then go sell. This is actually my favorite pair, my next favorite pair after USD CAD that I already took. Euro CAD, we did not take it because I entered USD CAD, but this is, pretty much the same thing backwards. It's doing a great movement right here. We're going short. If we would have entered here, we would have ended up going up a 1-to-1. But then it's having this pullback now. I'm not interested in this trade just because I'm already in USD CAD, and I don't like to take too many trades in 1 week, and especially when I have an open trade. So I'm on USD CAD now. I would only probably be ready for NZD USD by tonight London or Euro USD, but other than that, I'm not probably gonna enter any of the trades. GBP CAD, waiting for price to break and retest, still haven't gotten that. GBP USD, we're waiting for price to come all the way down here to this area reject to then buy. It never made it. Had a little push to the upside, rejecting this EMA. Not a fan of this trade anymore, not for this week at least. Maybe next week will be something else. I just do like this this structure and this pattern that it has, this trend. As we talked about it before, every time it has a higher high, it retests the previous structure point and sells. And buys. And as you guys can see, we are in this area right here, rejecting the previous structure point that we have marked right here, that we have. So it is retesting it. It is rejecting it. This is a good trade, maybe for next week, not this week. GBP AUD completely did not do what we wanted it. We were looking for a sell here, just because of this left head, right shoulder. Never broke below this area of interest to then retest and buy and sell. So I am not interested in this trade no longer. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Another breakdown, another update that we have done here. I will keep holding USD CAD. We'll be looking we'll be interested tonight in Euro USD or NZD USD, depending what they do. I prefer Euro USD, NZD USD, just because of the strong head and shoulders that we have marked here. So that's what I'll be looking for tonight, guys. I'll be holding USD CAD throughout the week. Friday, depending what it does. Not gonna try to hold it throughout the weekend. So by Friday, hopefully we're up a 1-2 to be able to close it out. And NZD USD might enter it tonight. Not too much time, but I have faith in this. It's loading up. It's ready to just give me a big push to the downside. So I'll be waiting on that as well. As you guys can see, we have a lot of success with this trade. We lost this one, but big moves here. So we'll be looking for that tonight. Appreciate everybody who is watching them. Hey, appreciate it, man. Manny, Preet, appreciate it, brother. Thank you for tuning in. Any questions you have, anything that I can help you with, just let me know. So yeah, this is what, if you're not in my Telegram, definitely join my Telegram. So this is what we're looking for tonight, guys. NZD USD and Euro USD. Nothing else apart from that. Appreciate everybody watching, who is going to be watching this video. We are going to keep doing these videos every 3 times a week. We're doing them Sunday, Wednesdays, and Saturdays. So everybody tune in. The community is growing, and we're going to continue to put in work. And I appreciate you guys, because you guys motivate me to keep doing it and keep learning and keep growing in this industry. So yeah, appreciate everybody. Thank you.